I hate it when shops and techs do this. I'm going to show you how to take care of this. That's why the dealer hates us. This makes it a nightmare for the dealer or anybody that services the bike. You should have the factory wire and then one auxiliary cable. Different bike we're working on today, but the same problem. It's done neatly, but still, you got to stop doing this. All these ring terminals on the positive and negative. You should have the main battery and auxiliary wire with all that connected together. Okay, now we have our 4-gauge feed feeding our 2 amplifiers, and all the wiring at the battery is cleaned up. So we have our battery tender wire, we have our factory ground wire, and then we have our wire that we added with all the auxiliary accessories hooked up to that. Battery tender wire, air ride wire, factory, and our power wire for our amplifiers. Nice, clean, serviceable, not like that disaster that was in there before. Okay, as you can see, all the wiring's cleaned up. We have our auxiliary ground wire here. There's the factory battery ground wire. We have our auxiliary power wire here, and then the factory one underneath it. All the fuses are tucked over here under the front of the battery. So now this bike can easily be serviced. One screw, 2 connectors, one screw, 2 connectors. If the dealer wants to check the battery with all the aftermarket stuff disconnected, they just leave off this line, reconnect the factory line, reconnect the factory line. The bike is completely back to stock.